In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to add a black background to your Instagram stories. So if you've tried to post Instagram stories lately, you might have realized that changing the background color is not an easy process and Instagram picks the background color for you. But I'll be showing you how you can use a workaround to get a black background for your Instagram stories. So the first thing you want to do is prepare your Instagram story. Whatever you intend to post on Instagram stories, make sure it's prepared and ready in your gallery. Okay, so make sure that is ready. And then now you want to start by going to Instagram. So go to Instagram and then swipe right for Instagram stories to create an Instagram story. And then what you want to do is take a random photo. I just took a photo of my desktop. And then once you take a random photo, change put a color by tapping on the three dots in the top right corner, those three dots there, and then select draw. Now that's going to allow you to pick a color from the options here, or you can tap on that and choose a color that's specific. So let's go ahead and choose red for now. So once you tap on red, you can now tap and hold here, and that's going to put that color as the background. Okay, but since in our video we want to choose black, we're going to tap on black, long press, and select black, and then tap on done. So that's going to be our backdrop or our background for our Instagram story. So now we're going to use stickers to add images or videos to the Instagram stories. So I'll go for the sticker, just tap on the sticker icon, and then look for this icon that takes you to your gallery. For Android users, it's going to be a plus symbol that takes you into your phone's gallery. So this one takes me straight into my gallery, straight into my Photos app. And then from here, I can go ahead and choose my photo and upload it as a sticker. So let me pick this photo, for instance. Okay, so as you can see, we do have a black background, and I can resize the photo the way I want. I can even tap on it to get different shapes. I can tilt it, I can do whatever I would normally do with an Instagram story. And then once I'm done, I can add my captions if I need to, I can add music if I want to, and then I'm now ready to post my Instagram story. So all you have to do now is tap on that and share. Done. And there is my Instagram story with a black background. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.